Hello, Indian parents. If your child is entering or navigating grade 6, 7, or 8 in the US, you know that middle school can often feel like a maze. New subjects, new social dynamics, and a whole new level of independence for your child. It's a big transition. So, my name is Gurpreet, and I'm here to be your guide. In this video, we'll explore the US middle school landscape from academics and extracurriculars to social changes and how you can best support your child. We'll also touch upon some key differences from the Indian system to help you feel more prepared. So let's unravel this middle school maze together. So first, let's talk about that leap from elementary to middle school. It's a significant change. Gone are the days of mostly one homeroom teacher. In middle school, your child will likely have multiple teachers for different subjects and will be changing classrooms throughout the day. They'll probably have their own locker for the first time, and a lot more independence and responsibility will be expected of them. This means developing strong organizational and time management skills becomes absolutely crucial. It's a learning curve for many students. So, what does the academic side of the US middle school look like? Core subjects usually include English language arts with more advanced reading, writing, and analysis. Mathematics often progressing through pre-algebra and for many algebra. We'll talk about tracking or leveling in maths shortly. Science exploring areas like life, earth and physical science often with more lab work, and social studies covering US history, world civilizations and civics. So one of the exciting things about US middle school is the introduction of electives or exploratory classes. Your child might get to choose subjects like a foreign language, like Spanish and French. They are actually common. Music, in music we can say band, orchestra or choir. Art, technology, education, or family and consumer sciences. So this is a great chance for them to explore new interests. Now about math tracking or leveling. So some middle schools place students into different math classes like regular or advanced or honors based on their readiness or past performance. It's important to understand how your child's school handles this and what the pathways mean for high school. Academic expectations definitely wrap up. Expect more complex homework, long-term projects, research assignments, and a greater emphasis on critical thinking and developing reasoned arguments. This is a shift towards more independent learning. When it comes to grading, you'll typically see A to F letter grades. The concept of a GPA or grade point average might start being discussed, especially in the 8th grade as they look towards high school. Report cards will detail these grades, often with teacher comments, and many schools have online portals where you can track assignments and progress. So standardized tests mandated by the state also continue in these grades. US middle school offer a vibrant world beyond the books through extracurricular activities. Now, there's usually a wide variety like sports team from basketball to soccer to track. Academic clubs like debate, chess, science olympiad, math club, coding club, art programs like drama, band, choir, and opportunities for volunteering or community service. Why are these so important? So extracurriculars, they help students develop new skills, explore passions, make friends with shared interests, learn teamwork and leadership, and they are a great way to de-stress and have fun. They contribute significantly to a child's holistic development. Now, as your child navigates more complex subjects, potentially advanced math tracks or new elective subjects in middle school, ensuring that they have strong foundational skills and good study habits is absolutely the key. The increased academic rigor can be challenging. If you feel they could benefit from personalized academic support to tackle these challenges with confidence, Wisdomy offers one-on-one online tutoring. Our expert tutors can help with core subjects like math and English, prepare them for higher level coursework, and reinforce those crucial organizational and study skills vital for middle school success. So, free trial class can be a great way to explore how we can support your child's academic journey during these transformative years, and the link is given in the description below. Now, middle school isn't just about academics. It's about a huge time of social and emotional growth, and sometimes a bit of a roller coaster. Peer relationships become central. Friendships might shift, cliques can form, and navigating these social dynamics is a big part of their world. This is also the time when puberty and adolescence bring many physical and emotional changes. Your child is developing a stronger sense of self and seeking more independence. All these changes can sometimes lead to stress or anxiety. That's where school counselors play a vital role. They are there to support students not just with academic planning, but also with social and emotional concerns. So encourage your child to see them as a resource. Now, your role as a parent evolves in middle school. You are transitioning from direct helper to more of a guide and a mentor. So staying connected is the key. You'll now be communicating with multiple teachers. Email is usually the best way for quick questions. It's a good idea to understand each teacher's preferred communication method at the start of the year. Many schools have online portals where you can check grades, see assignments, and get school announcements. So familiarize yourself with these. Then if we talk of parent-teacher conferences, so they might look different than in elementary school. They could be less frequent, or you might meet with several teachers in an arena-style setup. So student-led conferences are also becoming more common. And of course, getting involved with the PTA or PTO or other school volunteer opportunities is a great way to stay connected and support the school community. For parents familiar with the Indian middle school system, here are a few key differences that you might observe in the US. So while both systems are academically focused, the US middle school often aims for a broader exploration of subjects through electives, whereas the Indian system might have a more intensive focus on core academics, especially science and math, preparing for future board exams. Teaching methods in the US often emphasize interactive learning, group projects, and developing critical thinking, which may contrast with more lecture-based or memorization for used approaches sometimes seen in India. Extracurricular activities can often more deeply, get integrated into the school culture and seen as vital for holistic development in the US, sometimes carrying more weight than they might in a purely academic-focused Indian context. The social environment and degree of independence given to middle schoolers might differ based on cultural norms. Parental involvement styles can also vary. US schools generally encourage very proactive communication and participation from parents in school activities. So, how can you as an Indian parent best support your child through the US middle school maze? Help them develop those crucial organizational and time management skills. A planner can be their best friend. Maintain open and honest communication. So creating a safe space for them to talk about their academic challenges, social experiences, and feelings. Support their extracurricular interests, but also help them to find a healthy balance with academics. Understand the school's grading policies and utilize any online portals to stay informed. Attend school orientation sessions and parent-teacher conferences, so don't hesitate to ask questions. Encourage them to connect with their school counselor if they need support. Be patient and understanding as they navigate cultural differences and social norms. And always foster a growth mindset, emphasizing effort, learning from setbacks, and resilience. So middle school is indeed a maze of academic growth, social development, and increasing independence. It's a period of immense change for your child. But by understanding the US system, staying involved in a supportive way, and keeping those lines of communication open, you can help them navigate these formative years successfully and emerge more confident and prepared for high school. So remember, you are not alone in this journey. Embrace the growth, support their exploration, and celebrate their efforts along the way. If you are looking for that expert personalized academic support to help your child confidently tackle core subjects or advanced tracks in US middle school, don't forget to check out Wisdomy. The link for your free class is right there on your screen and also in the video description below. Indian parents, what are your biggest questions about the US middle school? Or what's one piece of advice that you would give to other families making this transition? So share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. If this guide helped you feel more prepared to navigate the middle school maze, then please do give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more resources, and share it with other parents who might find it helpful. All the resources we mentioned are linked in the description for you. So thank you for watching, and here's to a positive and successful middle school experience for your child.